Okay, so this isn't really what I wanted to be doing. I am stuck on the side of the road. And yes, looks like my transmission might be gone, or well, maybe hopefully it's just low on fluid, that we'll see. Put some fluid in and then hopefully it might run again. Or else it's going to be an expensive tow truck home.
Alright, here we go.
Roger. So this is where I'm at, getting towed. Just off the highway and into the bush so that no one steals all the parts off my car. And then I've rang everyone, and a tow is going to cost me a couple of $1,000s on this particular long weekend. Alright, so this is what's happening. It's still broken. Mechanic came out yesterday, said probably didn't have enough fluid in it. Put more fluid in it, still doesn't go. So we're going to tow it down the road a bit, run into my brother who's coming with the car trailer, take it home. Disconnected the drive shaft, tail shaft, although I don't think it matters because towing it auto just wrecks the transmission, which is already wrecked. But we're going to pull that out and see what we can do with it. So what's happening now is my brother's come to rescue me. Nigel's towed me a few hundred k's, and the first tow bar that he had on the car here was too high. So then we put the other one on and the tow ball was too small. So then we tried to take mine off, but obviously couldn't get that off because nothing's easy. So then we bought this new one from old mate down the road, 50 bucks, right size, laughing, but it doesn't fit in the hole. So of the second tow bar, the lower one, which we need to use. So now we got a little file here, and we'll continue to work away until we get home one day.